Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Hey, be sure to smash the like button on the way in. Here a little early, just so we can relax at market open. Hey, first thing I want to do at market open is take profit on Amazon. Appreciate y'all being here. Wait, let's make sure the sound is it's showing the sound's on. Let me wait. Yeah. Sit here, eat my waffle real quick. Then we'll kind of, I guess, go over, look at some charts. Also need to let the family know I'm trying to, what is it? Yeah, I need to let the family know my intention is to take profit on this Amazon at open. Armel, what's up? Top of the morning. Hey, I hear you're, what is it? I hear you're doing high rocks. Hey, that's what's up. Buddha, what's up? Natasha, top of the morning. Hey, y'all be sure to smash the like button. Oh yeah, Fridays are early. And then I didn't want to do all that like pre-market, or I didn't want to have all that right at market open. So I wanted to say what's up to everyone as they came in. Yeah, happy about Halloween. I didn't even realize it was Halloween until I ran for like 57 minutes this morning, and my watch was like, "Yo, Armel, I have some position in Meta. Yo, good stuff." Yeah, I started a daily recurring investment in Meta because Meta is a steal right now. Meta's a great deal. Hey, Armel, it could actually. I'm not gonna. I remember when we were in college and you bought Tesla. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be your next Tesla, but yeah, you can nice return for that. I'm buying Meta too. Hey, Black and Wild, top of the morning. Mine, PVP, Trading View. What broker do you? So I use Moomoo, and I'm starting to use less like for my less important trades. I use Robinhood sometimes. Like I have my Roth over on Robinhood. I have a joint account with my wife on Robinhood, and then I have the one I trade options on too. Armel, you're trading options now too? Oh, that's wild. That's wild. Armel, I feel like you're doing everything. You're like all over the place. It's crazy. Buddha Dub. I took an Apple and Amazon trade yesterday, waiting to close. Did you take calls on both of those? Bro, Amazon, yo, it was like God was telling me to like I almost took profit on it before close. Hey, let's go back and look at this Amazon. Y'all see I call this Amazon over here October 16th when I was like, yo, it's at this low. I legit called it at the low. And I was just trying to take it to all-time highs. Yo, they did their thing. Yo, that's what's up. All right. Hey, good stuff, Buddha Deb. Hey, I can't help but notice we got a lot of lurkers on this stream. We got 11 people came through, smash the like button. We got some people came through, say good morning. Hey, make sure to smash the like button. It's weird being in a room, knowing there's like a solid like 28 people, and it's like I only know 12 of them are my friends, and the other people could be plotting to get me. So I'm feeling a little uneasy right now. Hey, well, that was a good waffle right there. Good little waffle. How long did I hold the Amazon trade? So it expires next week, but I'm about to take profit on it. I need to let the family know. Henry, what's up? What's up? Top of the morning. Hey, real quick. Let me let people know about my intention to take profit on Amazon. I know not everybody's on the live right now. What is it? Zoom call. Oh, there we go. Trade alerts. I intend on taking profit on Amazon call at open. Where's the screenshot? I think it's this one right here. Yup, there we go. Here, let me go ahead and post that. Yup. All right, let's see. All right. Hey, what's up? My life be like happy Friday. Hey, we're here. Hey, let's get this bread. So it's Friday. We're here in the morning. We'll see if we have if we have the means to take any day trades. We'll see. I'm for sure taking profit on Amazon. I do have a call I got on Carvana. I think it expires on the 14th. I'm not trying to like ride it too far, but I think we can catch a little life on it. So that's something I'm in. But I'm watching the SPY, see if maybe there's something there for something quick, maybe quick 20. All right, let's see. Is it Lewis or Luis? Luis. I'm gonna say Lewis for now. Acosta. Good morning. See, it's so weird that y'all's at names are here now because I don't. It's like if I knew who you were, I don't fully know now. Scott, top of the morning. Sarah, good morning. Stanley, top of the morning. So they're not Eggos. They're something from HEB. They're like some what kind of waffles are they? I guess they're Belgian waffles. The one I had was like lemon and poppy seed. It's really good. They got like a few other flavors, like some vanilla ones, and yo, they're fire. They're fire. So the live start, yeah. So it starts right at market open Fridays, and then oftentimes if I can, I'll try to be here before so we can kind of talk about what's going on. Any news on Boeing? Let's see. Let's take a look at Boeing. Boeing's program is delayed until 2027 due to FAA certification issues. Here, let's see. Boeing's road to redemption and a higher. Okay, they're falling right now, so pre-market range resistance going to be 203. Support's looking like about 200. Let me look and see what I can see. Lewis, I'm assuming that's Lewis. The only reason I ask if it's Luis because I had a friend in like junior high. His name was Luis and it was spelled like Lewis. Good morning, Debbie R8C. Underrated nerd. Hey, you're definitely underrated. Top of the morning. D Scurv, top of the morning. Hey, these, yes. Amazon calls. Yes. Hey, first time ever in a group. Hey, happy to have you, family. Hey, let's plump this bread. Okay, I'm hoping the bread's nice and soft. Hey, real quick, let me hop in Moomoo, see if I see anything about Boeing. Okay. I do see Jim Cramer said something. What did he say? He said Boeing just took a major turn. I'm trying to see if it's good or bad. I don't know. I don't actually know what that's saying. Boeing widened losses. Here, let's look at the options analytics, or let me see if anyone knows. I see a lot of people saying to buy the dip. Options. Let's see the analytics. So volume from yesterday, there was a wall at 235 on calls, and puts at two. Oh, we're way away from that. Hold up. Let's go to the. Oh, that's open interest. Yeah. Yeah, we got a wall of puts at 200 open interest wise. So I feel like Boeing's going to have a hard time like being below 200. All right, let's see. Would you please go to UNH chart, have a call, but I'm losing. So I will say UNH is at the 200 moving average. It appears that it has touched this level a lot. So like you can see in the past, there is some support here. So it's either about to drop like a rock, or it can move up. Um, Actually, it looks like it's trying to move below. But honestly, I wouldn't expect it to move too much today. So right here, if they keep this like relatively flat on the day in this range, they can allow it to sell off more. But one thing I do see is like at this like I don't know 340 level, there is still some buying pressure there. But the volume is dropping off on this, so they can do whatever they want with it. Anella, top of the morning. Rhonda, good morning. Getting back into trading. Need a bit of a review. Do I? I know there are videos I have doing it. Like if you look at some of my trading view videos, I feel like I only have 3 videos on trading view on my channel, so I know for sure there's something about how to set them there. But I do need to make a video about the EMAs, a more refreshed one. But I think right now, as much as I want to do, like I'm only able to like promise a new like one new video a week. But it's like I have so much that I want to get out. Since I've been in Amazon calls since like we grabbed some Amazon calls over here October 16th, and we've been riding those since. I appreciate you, Amazon. Dip and rip on Amazon. Hey, I gotta take profit. It's like if it wants to dip, if it dips to a proper dip, I'll take it. Like I'll hop in on a rip too, but I gotta take profit. I know what this market can do. I've seen it before. All right, we got like 2 minutes. Actually, a minute and some seconds. Let me get my account ready. See what's up with this Amazon. You know, it usually takes a minute for the contract to actually kind of update. Things move kind of fast. So here, I'm gonna have Amazon up on 2 time frames. We got the 4-hour. I'm gonna drop to like the 15 over here where I have this meta. I'm gonna pull up Amazon. Slide this up a little bit. Got some buying pressure over here at 247. Man, yesterday they hit 255. All right, we got a 22 seconds till market open. Hey, it's getting real, y'all. Getting real. But y'all saw what happened to Google yesterday. Google killed it, and they sold that off. I'm not trying to partake in that. All right, market's open. I'm not seeing any update on the. Okay, Hey, 300% on the Amazon. I'll take it. Let's see. I'm gonna just hey. Oh no, I'm not trying to buy. Let me sell it. Let's see if we can get out of here. Did did that did that go through? Oh, it's all over the place. It's all over the place. Hold up. They're moving a lot. It's a decent spread. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see if that gets filled. All right, let's see. Let's see. Kong, top of the morning, top of the morning. All right, so Amazon with a little pullback. I would think it can like have a quick little bounce too. Oh, I got an alert that Meta crossed some level. Let's see. Oh, it's pushing. Meta's pushing lower right now. Let's see. See if we can get a little kind of push up on Amazon. It's like they always want to like do the top profit taking first. I think I'm about to get filled. Come on. Let's get a quick push up. It might push higher than where my take profit is, but I'm not tripping. I just want to get out. This is why I don't like doing stuff like right at open. It's like all the ranges are all wide and everything. All right, I should be about to get filled. Let's see. No, this, oh, no, that's, I just got an alert on Reddit. Come on. Come on, Amazon. They're playing with me. Well, we're like 2 minutes in. All right, okay, I see some strength. I see some strength. All right, oh. But that candle went green for half a second. I mean, technically on mine it went blue, but let me check in on Carvana. Also, I might go in on some quick little spies, real light, some zero DTEs. Let's see what we're working with. How much are they? Where's wait, so we're at 884. I actually don't love those right now. Bro, still trying to sell off to Amazon. Not getting filled on them. I still got an extra week on them though. I know they'll come higher, so I'm not gonna like rush that. But they're trying to mess with us right now. Here, let me see the SPY on the 1 hour real quick. Patrick, top of the morning. All right, Amazon looks like it's trying to pull back to the 15, 48 EMA. I feel like SPY might be good for a little. Let me see. Yeah, I think I want to go light on I'm gonna grab a zero DT on the spot. Hold up. Let's see. See if I can get this real quick. I might need to get a different one. Yeah, it's trying to move a little bit now. What is it talking about? It's trying to say I don't have funds, but I have funds. Oh yeah, now it's trying to move without me. All right, I got 2 SPY 586 calls. 0 DTs on the SPY. I think there's a good chance we come back up and try to test resistance. I paid 92 per share. And those are 0 DTs, so I'm not like sharing those on whatever. And bills top in the morning. The funds happen to me. Oh yeah, I know how it is. Like Robinhood does that sometimes. All right, Amazon's trying. It's trying. I will get filled on this Amazon. It'll likely end up running past my fill point, but let's see. And let me keep eyes on this SPY as well, because I only got today on this SPY. It's up like 3% right now. Amazon's like, it's like battling right now. Everybody's like, yo, take the profits, take the profits. Like 4% on the SPY, that's cool. I like a, I don't know, I feel like a smooth like 20%. That would be nice. I'm not even looking for anything crazy. I mean, that's still good profit, but not anything just out of this world. We're like we're like 8 minutes in today. Oh, I didn't even check some of like the things I should be checking. So the dollar, let's look at that real quick. We got the dollar rising, but there's liquidity up here, so this might get pushed back down. Yeah, so here's hoping we get pushed back down. This ends up being a sweep. It might take its time though. Looking at the VIX, that's trying to move up. PCE, that's kind of moving up too. Oh well, this hadn't even started yet today. Now I'm down 4% on those. I said 586. I'm at 686. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean 686. It's yeah, I make mistakes. I'm not perfect. Nah, yeah, I'm not buying like I'm not buying deep in the money like that. Palantir up 3. Hadn't even looked at it today. Let's see. Thanks, these curve. Where we at? Okay, Palantir back up here, and they got earnings on Monday. Hmm. Hmm. All right, they got a nice little trend going actually. Let me. What is this level? Oh, that was their old range. Yeah, they got a nice little trend. Let's see if we can trying to identify like something that. Mm. You said so. I'm aiming at about $20 of content. You can say that. It's like I would like at least 20%. That's like probably when I would cut out on my first one. Unless we just like if we just like lose right here, then I'll just cut out and take a loss. But yeah, that's kind of my don't be greedy, but it's like I think we could come take this high after it's done like trying to scare people. Maybe after this maybe like what? So we got 4 minutes left on this candle, another 15, so maybe like 19, 20 minutes or so. We'll see. But now I'm down like 12%. So yeah, now we're down here in the weeds. I might actually grab like one more. Cause I see we got some liquidity down here. Just to improve my odds a little bit. All right, so now my average cost is 87 per whatever. They didn't move it too much. I'm down like 12%. And then we got this liquidity here. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna slide this over just so I can kind of have a visual, see how we end up doing at this liquidity. Because I don't want to confirm below this, because if we confirm below this, then that's like, yo, that's probably dead. What is hopefully Apple can bounce. That'll help. Yeah, hopefully a lot of stuff. I know one thing that's not helping the SPY right now. Meta. All right, we got 2 minutes on this 15-minute candle. So let's see how this does. This definitely looks like liquidity though. So it looks like it's trying to do something scary, but it's not really. Here, let's pull up Apple's, see how Apple's doing. Oh, Apple's on. Oh, hold up. Yo, it better not. Let me go to let's see, Apple on the 15. Yeah, I hope this is just a show. Like, yeah, we'll have to see. Yeah, it's looking like liquidity though. It's looking like liquidity. Just trying to shake some people out, show a little fear. So I got in a little late. Wish I would have been later now. Anyhow, going for about. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I don't really like trading at market open, but here I'm gonna take the dollar and put it back up here. We still got like 55 seconds on this candle. Yeah, I don't like the dollar looking like this, but we still got like an hour 15 on this candle. Hoping this ends up being liquidity, but may not be. But we're about to get our print on PCE. Top of the morning. What are we working with? What are we working with? I got like an Amazon call. I got a call on Carvana. I got a call on this spot. I think I might have too many calls. Might be working with too many calls, but yeah, it would have been nice to wait just a little bit on the spot. I'm glad I closed out of those PayPals from yesterday, or that I got a couple days ago though. All right, so right now the reaction that I'm seeing on the SPY, I'm not too concerned yet with that. Sold out of my NMAX call from. Oh, It's been a minute since I think I only hear about MMAX from you. So I guess that's like your stock. Hey, glad you took a dub on that. Let's look at the history on that. Yeah, they went crazy like that first like week of IPO, boom, and then yeah, that was a pump and hard dump. All right, they're trying to show more selling pressure. I might have to take a L. Oh, yo, my chart's freezing. April, top of the morning. Oh yeah, Amazon. Hey, it's doing what it does. I need the SPY to do the same thing. Yeah, this might be the nail right here. I was buying it and taking small profits, lost so much when the market tanked a few weeks ago, then wasn't. And yeah, that's one of the tough parts about like when you're in something that has time on it. It's like I watched Amazon go up like points where it was up 108 yesterday just before it closed. It was up like I think like 8%. So it's like that was definitely a hard one. Like there were definitely plenty of opportunities to like buy and sell and buy and sell. And I think ultimately, kind of depending on like what the market does, I think it could like the contract can push more into the money. It's like I just want to take profit now. Like I'm not trying to be greedy with it. Like there should be a opportunity today to take profit on it. I'm just yeah, once again not trying to listen, I don't know. It's they just I'm just not trying to get caught up in that. But yeah, I always like one thing is like if I'm playing earnings, I want to be able to hold it past the manipulation period. Because like today's Friday, so they're going to try to like hold it within a price today and try not to have it too exciting. But it's like if what it announced was truly like good enough, it's like it's going to continue to move next week. Let's see. SPY has a gap down to fill on the 1 hour, I think. Hey Matt, hey, glad to have you. Glad to have you back. That it does. Let me take one more look at the 15. Nah, we still chilling right now. Still chilling right now. Friday and end of the month. Oh yeah, that's one thing right there. Hold up. Let's see how we're doing on the month. That's a good call. On the month. Okay. Yeah, so we opened up 660. Okay, so we're out like $20 on the month. What's that percentage wise? Where's the tool? So right now, oh, that didn't work. So right now, SPY on the month, where it sits, we're up like 3% on the month. What's this arrow from? Market makers trying to do their thing. But ultimately, looks like Apple's trying to hold up at this 200 potentially. Hopefully this isn't a break in retest, but looks like it's trying to hold up. Might push back up. Amazon is trying to hold up at its support. Meta's still trying to sell off right now, but I like Meta selling off because that's the one I'm buying into right now. So SPY call, yeah, I grabbed a call on the SPY, but I might be getting ready to take an L potentially. I'm watching these candles, but yeah, we'll see. Like if they do this long enough, I'm gonna have to take an L. Like I was hoping for something quick, but nah, they're doing this thing they like to do, especially on Fridays. You don't want to get caught just chilling. So like I gotta come out with something. Hey, look at Google. Google is still where is it? Still pulling back. Oh, but it's pulled back to the 13. It might be a good time to get a little something for upside on Google right here. Yeah, cause if you look at the structure, yeah, this is a sweep up. Yeah, we're probably gonna move up. Honestly, I'm not fully sure about the day, but everything looks like it's like everything I've looked at, like Amazon, Google, Meta looks like there's some buying pressure once it gets to like 650. That one might be nice for trying to get some. If anybody wants to like zero DTE on Meta or anything like that, that looks like there might be money there. Hey, Domini, top of the morning. I don't think Meta will really come past 650, or it can come past 650 today, but I don't think it'll go like too much further than 650 today. I think they're drawing people in for downside on the morning, and then they're gonna push it up. That's kind of the script they like to run. Like you see, they're pushing the SPY back up. Let's see if we can get back above like this pre-market support. Because right now, what I was eyeing is like we got this liquidity. If you look on the 1 hour, I would expect it to actually maybe push us close to like potentially like next resistance above this one is we got 684.65, then we got like 685.47 or 50. When you look at SoFi, so we looked at it in the pre-market. Let's see what it's doing now. Oh, hold up. So like SoFi is kind of starting to trend down. Here, let's come a little lower. Yeah, like everything for now is pointing downward on SoFi. Like it's starting to trend down, or it's trending down. I kind of don't know. It's like there is support at this $29 area on SoFi. So it's like if you're trying to play the range on SoFi right now looks like it's from this like 29.85 down to 29. And it's like when you do zoom out, it is like it's still like the EMAs are crossing the upside, but market structure wise, this is starting to downtrend. Oh, what's up with Hood? What's up with Hood? These curve. Okay, okay. Dang. Oh, they hadn't even had their earnings yet. Yeah, they got earnings in, or is it next week? Yeah, next week. Oh, SPY's still trying to. Oh, we still got 5 minutes on this candle, but SPY's still trying to game it up. So Amazon kind of just sold off to the bottom of this range. Wanted to move up so my profit can like lock in, but they're gonna let it take its time. Oh, hold up. Let's talk about Netflix. So I know those of y'all that were on the Zoom call, I had mentioned like something that was a good possibility for a stock split. Netflix. We get a stock split on Netflix now. That Netflix will likely go on a run. So that's something I might turn towards here, like depending on what the contracts look like. I made some really good the in the past. I think the last stock split I tried to do was Chipotle. It was not like the ones before, but my biggest trades ever were on stock splits. So there was one on Google, there was one on Amazon, and I don't remember which one, but I think I turned like 2K into like 40K. Chris saying blasting, we are buying the meta dip. Hey, I was already saying that. Yeah, I was like, as soon as I saw meta dip, I like posted. I was like, yo, this is a recurring investment. So I honestly, I feel like everyone I've seen like kind of say, yeah, meta is a buy. So yeah, it's like I think everyone's saying like I don't think I've seen anyone say meta's not a buy right now. It's like, oh yeah, we don't like that Mark Zuckerberg is like spending like he is, but it's like, nah, meta's a buy. Unless you're just trying to get it short term. So you said SoFi under 26. What do you mean by that, Sam? Oh yeah, I might have to close out a SPY. Yeah, how much time we got have on this candle? Yeah, I'm gonna give this candle its chance. We'll see how it closes. But yeah, we got 2.5 minutes. Yeah, I might have to maybe. Right? If it looks like this, I'm gonna have to close out, but yeah, we'll read the candle. I might have to take an L. Yeah, I've heard the saying. By playing with my emotions. That's if you trade 0 DTEs on a Friday, hey, you're choosing to play with your emotions as well. It's like, hey, you know the risk involved. I know you know in sense. I know you know for sure. It's just like we're battling this time as well. We still got about a minute and a half though on this candle. We'll see. But it's looking like a nod for me. And it's like I still am of the belief that even if I have to close out right here, I'm still of the belief that it's going to go up and test the high today, but that's not what my strategy calls for. So I'm going to just, like, if it closes here or if it closes like this, let's see. What do you plan on doing? We'll see. It's like I would like to get calls with a little bit of time on them, but we'll see. Netflix contracts are expensive, so I'll have to see. It's like it's like my money is tied up in stocks. I don't necessarily want to sell stocks to get out of what is it? Yeah, I don't want to sell stocks just to potentially get some stuff on Netflix. So it's like if I don't see anything I like, it'll be nothing. But it's like I can identify good potential moves. Like Netflix 1240 is not a surprise for me. Like, oh, okay, yeah, we're uh they're trying to play games with the SPY again because they got it looking like it's trying to push up again, but Oh, you said will it be under 28? Here, 1 second. Let me cut out this SPY. It's yeah, that's 30%. All right, so I took my L on that one. Yeah, out at 58 per share. Yeah, I'm done with this SPY. Took the L. But what is it? You know what? Here. I might just take that oh yeah, I don't have any more day trades on this one. But let's see. So there, let's see what date Netflix is talking about the stock split real quick. I think it was like the second week of. Here, let me see. Did it say November 10th? Effective on. Okay, effective on November 14th. So that's like 2 weeks. Let's see how crazy I can get on Netflix. I'm sure there's crazy premium on them. So for okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that is, hold up, nah. Let's see that one. What about this? Oh, nope, can't get that one. Oh, hold up. Can I? Oh no, that's kind of tough though. What Netflix is trading at? Would that be like 500? No, that's not working. Okay. Let's see. Hey, what's up, Elijah? All right, let's see. Bitcoin trying to break the trend. Hold up. What's the trend on Bitcoin? Oh, okay. Hey, okay. They might move up. Let's see what's BMNR looking like. If they wanna hold up, what's Ethereum looking like? Okay, hey, similar positions. Similar position. Let's check in on BMNR. Okay. Yeah, it's a 10-to-1 stock split. 100% double bottom just hit on. Yeah, yeah. Might have a push up. Hey, might all right, SPY looks like it's coming down. It might come retest this. It might come fill in this gap, honestly. I only had 1 day trade, so I'm gonna wait. Like you can see we got this 200 EMA over here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set an alert. Let me see. Where's, yeah, on the 200. If we come to that, we got a gap fill at about, I guess, 677, 678. So yeah, if we come to this, I'll probably get something to swing. Is it Nick M? Nicky M? It's these ever since YouTube changed to the at thing. It's like I'm not sure with certain people. Historically, Netflix is going to run up to the split. Yeah, that's what I'm looking. I'm looking for like calls right now. I had one that I was like looking at, but I'm trying to just use the money that I have from that SPY. Oh, okay, I just got filled. All right, so I just grabbed a. It's like speculative. I'm likely going to hold this for the next couple weeks because I have had similar trades go absolutely insane. Like for the first week or two, it's not going to do anything. But like if it's anything, like when I turned 2K into 40K, it was the exact same kind of thing. I did it like twice. I don't think the first time wasn't the full amount. Like I didn't get 40K the first amount. I think it was like 20K or something, but still did it with Amazon, did it with Google. Let me share this one. But yeah, this thing needs to go a long ways to do anything. So let me share this with the family real quick. Just grabbed a way, hold up, a very, very far out of the money call on Netflix. Paid $174 per share. And let me what was the strike? It was for did I get the right expiration date? Let me check. Oh yeah, I got it for the 21st, so I got an extra week. Expiring. Did I say 20th or 21st? Yeah, November 21st. There we go. Yeah, it's very far out of the money. So yeah, it's like with things like this, you always want to get more time than you need. All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm trying to do my first options trade. Okay, hey, that's what's up, Nikki. Still holding SPY, but my stop loss is higher. Well, SPY, honestly, like on the 1 hour, it's looking good. It's looking like it's still doing its thing. I just had to cut out because I didn't want to lose. Like what I had is like I'm trying to display some responsibility just because I know the games they play. It's looking like it can go up, but also it is failing to get above this right now. So we got SPY. Wait here, let's swap these around. Yeah, so it's like it very well could like print more to the downside. I just was not trying to mess around and find out. What strike? Wait, am I posting in chat? So I got the 1320 strike. I think. Let me see. All right, now my Robinhood's like frozen on this black screen. Robinhood doing this thing. Hold on, let me close the app, open it back again. I think I got the 1320 though. Yeah, I got the 1320 call strike. All right, so here, let me mark that on Netflix. What's gonna be crazy is like when we look back at this and we see the move. Like it's crazy. Like we're in right here at I guess like just below 1125. If I'm being real, I would not be surprised if it makes this whole move back up here to this high. And then if it wants to go to all-time highs, here, I'm gonna just draw this up to all-time highs just to see like what that would look like. Because I've definitely seen wild stuff like that before. It's like you make it more accessible to more people. Yeah, Spy's not looking too hot. It's not like the worst, but Spy's not looking too hot, if I'm being real. What's the chat? So I have a like it's on WAP. So that's for people who like pay for that. So it's like it's not anything that you need to buy. I wouldn't even recommend buying it yet. I would wait till you like know how to execute options trades and stuff. I would like watch all the free stuff on my channel first and like see what's up with that. Moomoo alert on Meta becomes the most active stock. Yeah, I mean, I like Meta down here. One thing I'm also like kind of looking at is like Meta. We had like this kind of like trend line going down on Meta, right? And we broke it over here. Or I guess we did kind of retest. But like we broke it, we kind of retested over here October 25th. We kind of moved up. We still have not like pushed to that high. But like one thing I was looking at, I was like, oh, maybe we come retest it to the downside. I would love if we came and retested this to the downside. That's the only reason I have it drawn out over here like this. But thoughts on Nvidia? What kind of thoughts are you looking for? That's like I think a lot of things about Nvidia, but I might need a little more of a specific kind of what kind of thoughts are you looking for? I have like there's so much. I remember the first time I heard the name Nvidia. What's crazy is I bought a Huawei like laptop and it had like a little sticker on it that said Nvidia. And like I remember somebody saying like he's like, I don't know what it is, but you see that Nvidia, you know it's good. And I was like, yeah, I got a good laptop. I'm like, yeah, it better be good. It was like $1,000. That was the channel I started my YouTube, or that's the laptop I pretty much started my YouTube channel on. Sorry for a swing play is testing. I don't like it for a swing right now. It's like if it pulls back to test this 13 EMA, maybe. I prefer if it comes back in like if you can get a push down to this 201.46 or maybe a push a little bit past that, I like that a little bit more. But hey, let me say this. Anybody who has the money to get Netflix with like a month like at the money right now, if you want to be paid and if you can wait a couple weeks, you are going to get paid if you get Netflix right here. Financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but just know Netflix is about to pay anybody who can, if you can get money or contracts like at the money, bro, Netflix is going to pay. It's going to pay. Just know that. I don't have the means. But yo, Matthew, I'm here. I'm not gonna change it. I'm not going to talk about myself in the third person, but yeah, I want to change your life for the better in any way that I can. So it's like, if I want to say that opportunity is there. All right, net Amazon pulling back. Still haven't got out of it. Still got a week on it, but still haven't got out of it. So I might just be stuck here. I think sound can possibly get to all-time highs again after. Really? Here, we can take a look at sound too. It's not one I really look at like that. Here, let's see. So sound. It's possible. It's closer to being oversold. But here, let's check out market. Let's see if they're on. Let's see. Check out Market Dash. Only price target is $17. They don't have too many analysts like really looking at them. All right, so let's actually get in and see if there's been any like whales or anything. See if there's any whale data. All right, so honestly, the last thing I can see is from 3 days ago. You got people selling at like 1771. Honestly, I don't really. It's all speculation to me. The trend, like the EMAs are trending up, but yeah, I don't know. It's speculation to me with sound. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, Meta. No, yeah, Meta is money for sure. Meta is money. Here, let's see how let's check back in on the Dixie, see how that's looking. All right, so it looks like it may have peaked on the 4 hours, so it could sell back down potentially to like 950 or 99.50. That would be nice. And then things can move back up, and that'll be a good look. Be a very good look right there. Okay, let me check in on Carvana. I feel like I was looking at something maybe on the weekly. Yeah, hopefully we hold up here. Or was it the daily? Yeah, we were at the daily 200 EMA on Carvana. I was thinking. I think last time we came in touch. Oh, maybe that doesn't have the strength I thought it did. Might have to reevaluate that. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, yes, you will. Netflix, I bought 11. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. D-Skirt, hey, Hood not playing today. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Robinhood, they trying to turn up going into their earnings. They are trying to turn up. Oh, they got a price target upgrade too. Here, so I'm gonna take this to a 5 minute on the SPY. We're gonna come over here to a 5 minute on the Qs. Let's see if we can get a turnaround. I'm gonna get rid of this level right here. Like we're just kind of consolidating. I want to see if we can like get back up to if we can if we can't like get back up and get above this 684 area on the SPY. This 684 might be an area to take a put. Like we might just move down today. Oh shoot, I didn't even realize it, but Reddit had a good day too. My goodness. Yeah, let's see what's up with the Reddit. Oh. I'm not still in the trade, but I think it was just waiting for the earnings. That's what happens when you see something on like the weekly. It's like it's in motion now. Oh yeah, SPY pulling down some more. New low a day on SPY. Just hit. SPY pretty much where it was when myself. They look like they're still moving down. You said would I buy Meta? I bought actual Meta. Right now I'm buying like $30 a day of Meta shares. Or fractional shares. Because this is a great value for Meta, but I'm not gonna try to time it as like I had some money there on Meta earnings or like coming into Meta earnings. They kind of pulled back. So now I'm just gonna get it back in a way I know I'm gonna get it back, which is investing over a longer period of time. But there's actually like if you look on the weekly, there's a gap to be filled to like 610 on Meta on the weekly. And then here, let's see. If we go to the daily, oh, that's honestly that's not the best look. Meta opened below the daily. If Meta doesn't come and like retest that daily 200 EMA, it could have some more downside coming like in the short term. It could sell off some more. So we'll want to see it come back up. Actually, for some of y'all that I know are in like calls, I want to see it come back up. But for me, since I am buying Meta, I would love to see it come down. So that I can load up on it longer. Adobe is also so up until Meta was up until Meta kind of pulled back to what it pulled back to. So I guess up until yesterday, Adobe was the one I was buying daily. But now I kind of put like a pause on that because I'm like, I think long term Meta is a better deal than Adobe. Don't get me wrong, Adobe's still good. Like I accumulated a few shares, like nothing like massive, but I got a few shares of buying Adobe. And now I'm buying Meta. And if it's still like that after like Meta gets back to a price where it's like, okay, I'm gonna like pause, I'll swap back to Adobe. But I big time agree. Adobe is a great deal. Yeah, I feel like Fridays are the days where I get kind of like worked the most. I feel like, oh, the stream's kind of public on Fridays, so it's like I don't know, I always feel like there's a secret market maker watching me. He's like, oh yeah, he just said this. Let's make this happen. To the market maker watching me, good luck holding Netflix down. Choppy charge for SPY today. Hey. And D Scurry brought up a good point earlier. He said, yo, it's the end of the month, so I'm not going to be here for it. I'll probably get off at like 10:30 today, so probably like in another hour, but what is it? Yeah, I'm not going to be here for it, but I wouldn't be surprised if in like the last hour or the last 30 minutes or something, we just saw like large price movement. But they like to wait for the contracts to be like next to nothing. And like they like to see people's money kind of get wasted. Meta tanking got me so excited. Hey, I feel that. Honestly, I've been wanting it for a while. But also, I couldn't see it happening either. But now that it's happening, it's like nice. George, top in the morning, just start saying the opposite. That the only thing about saying the opposite is like there are going to be some people that don't understand what I'm saying, and I'm like, I don't know. I feel like I'd be hurting some people. And then even if I were like, yo, everybody getting this message, I'll say what I really mean. Hold up, SoFi just some kind of alert just went off on SoFi. Let's see. Oh yeah, SoFi. Yeah, on that weekly, yeah, SoFi is wait, what's going on? Why is SoFi? Why is it all the way up here? I guess SoFi just crossed support. There should be some buying pressure, like kind of right where it's at. Or actually a little bit more, down a little bit more. But it's coming into that buying pressure. Oh, again, boom, top of the morning. I think I'm in a, ooh, hold up. I'm in a call on Carvana, but Carvana's pulling back a little bit. I gotta watch that. Make sure that doesn't get too nasty. I'm in a call on Amazon, but that's pulling back too. What else am I in? I feel like, oh, and I grabbed a Netflix call. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down today. Power hour could be wild today for sure. 2 to 3 p.m. end of month. Yeah, it's crazy that they wait till the end of the day. It's like I wish there was some way for me to like intermittently stream without it like being like all this effort. Like it's more effort than it takes to like broadcast to all y'all like this. Like it'd be cool if I could like meta stream to all y'all somehow. Yeah, SoFi below 29. Oh, hold up. It was just a short report. Nothing crazy. I would have told y'all if it was though. put a word in WAP or the Discord to tip us all off. If I do it in the Discord, like if I do it in a section where the like people who aren't in on WAP can see it, it's like the market maker could see it. Honestly, I don't even know that the market maker is not on WAP because it's like, yo. Or actually, I don't know that I have a market maker, but it's like, yo, the price of the WAP is like nothing, especially if you're a market maker. He's like, oh yeah, let's He's like, let me invest this to make this. I was like, oh yeah, easy money, like taking candy from a baby. MP may be presenting. Oh, let's look at it. How's it doing from, was it last week we took a look at it? I can't even remember which way we were like looking at it going. Oh, we were looking at it going up. Oh, I'm glad we did not do that. Yeah, it's approaching looks like a older trend line. Yeah, whether it be to the up or downside, it looks like it is. Yeah, that thing ran up to 100. Oh yeah, it's also like at a level of support too. What did I just do? Yeah, there's some opportunity there. All right, SPY. Trying to make like it's trying to move up. Just notice Meta and Netflix are both at the 200 EMA on the daily. Here, let's see Netflix. Oh, I wasn't trying to do it right there. Bro, my trading view is like something changed, or I don't know if it's like the quick keys that I used to use don't work the same way. Now I gotta do all this. So there's Amazon. Take this back to the queues. And we'll take this to Netflix. And then we'll go and look on the daily. Yeah. And we'll take MP back to Meta on the daily too. Yeah, I really want to keep that Meta daily in mind. I want to, like, I would like to see Meta. I would like to, while I don't think it's likely, I would like to see Meta closer to 80 at the end of the day. But I'm not saying it's impossible. It's very well possible. All right, we got the SPY trying to push up. The SPY is above the 13 EMA right now. Let's see if we can like make progress here, or because yeah, we got this pressure down here, this buying pressure, and then it's kind of up from there. Palantir 203.68 and climbing. Yeah, that's one I'm gonna have to let run and do his thing. Bro, Palantir is like a cat. It has an insane amount of lives. It's like every time you think it's done, every time you think it's out, it just comes back to life. Something comes and saves it. Is it? SoFi was actually at a level where I was saying it should. Yeah, because there was buying pressure there. That's why the alert went off. So SoFi came to the level where I was looking for it to come yesterday for me to, like, I wanted calls on SoFi yesterday, but I guess it took till today. Oh, does Wall Street hate Palantir? Palantir just I don't know, they just keep doing what they need to do. They're like oh, they're like the last survivor on Squid Games. It's like, yo, it's like how do they keep squeaking by? Cuz it's like they're going to have a quarter where like it's going to slow down at some point, but it's like, oh, it couldn't possibly, and it's like, oh yeah, no, they somehow pull out all the stops. There was a point Apple used to be like that too. It's like you would think like, oh no, Apple can't keep moving, and then Apple would just keep going, and but they weren't anywhere. They not to the level of Palantir. Not doing what Palantir does. All right, we got the Qs pushing up. Qs at the 200 EMA on the five. Yeah, they do because they missed the boat. Oh yeah, okay, understandable. I mean, Wall Street is the boat. So if they wanna push it down, they could push it down. They could get in at a better level. We could probably see where let's see where BlackRock has let's look at Palantir real quick. I'm curious where BlackRock's what their average is. They probably got something like extra nice. I don't believe this. Nah. But BlackRock's average price is 37.80 or 38.27. Vanguard has it at 25. That's still kind of late, honestly. I was already out by then. What do you think about Meta call? Ooh, I don't like that. Um, honestly, Nikki, if I would say if you're, I would say, like in the beginning, you want to get as much time as you can get, but probably look at stocks that aren't so expensive with options. So I would probably like just looking at my list, I would try to get more familiar with like you can get cheaper stuff on the SPY, but the SPY is there's a lot of games there. Um, SoFi might have cheaper options. PayPal might have cheaper options. Um, PFE, Intel. OSCR is this one's a I would say OSCR is a good one. This one, honestly, like it, but I wouldn't Like if you're trying to win and you're trying to get your money back, I'm not saying Amazon can't be at 705 next week, or not Amazon. I'm not saying Meta can't be or won't be, but it's 50-50. And what I'm looking at is like it, like chart wise, in this moment, I would look for it to fall more where it is right now. And it's like if you were able to get like, I don't know, if you were able to get like at least 3 weeks on or 3 months on Meta, I'd be like, oh yeah, that's probably money. But it's like sometimes it's like it won't come back to life until there's some sort of news. So this could be the beginning of a fall. I'm not saying it is, but I don't know. But also there is experience, there's a benefit to losing early too. So but also you could end up winning from that too. Not gonna lie. Told you I'm brand new, so yeah, I'm trying to. No, yeah, I feel that. Honestly, one of the biggest like things for me with options is just being patient. It's like there are some contracts where I like know they're going to make money. And it's like a lot of time, if I were truly as patient as I could be with certain things, I probably wouldn't lose. I'm just not because I'm here every day. Amazon. Wait, hold up. On this slowly. We'll see. It's trying to find strength at this 15 or 48 EMA, but we'll see. But yeah, I've been looking at that. But we got the SPY and the Qs trying to come up now. If they can confirm above this, well, if the SPY can confirm above 684.21, I would like to see them also like close above this 200 moving average. They might be ready to go. We might do a little pushy here, but we'll see. I'm not fully convinced yet. Amazon is maintained at outperformed by RBC Capital. Honestly, this is what I want to see. Let's see. What is they raised to a 300? Okay, yeah. Hey, yeah, bring it on, bring it on. It's like the more stuff like that happens before next week, I may end up still being in Amazon if it just kind of chills here today. Uh, I'm targeting $30 on SoFi. I spent 4. If it goes to 30, I make about 20. Oh, you think it's gonna go to 30? Here, let me see. Let me see. I got the top of the range right now being 29.85 on SoFi. But also like on the 5 minute, we got the 200 moving average at 29.63. So also be aware of that. All right, but yeah, SPY trying to push up a little bit. Silver to start. That's one potentially. Yeah. I hear a lot of people getting the bread with the SLV. All right, so right now the EMAs are at about the 48 moving average, or the right now the SPY and the Qs are at about the 48 moving average on the 5, making progress above that pre-market resistance or support. Let's see if they can actually confirm there. Yeah, actually confirm there on the 15. Right now we're just on the 5. But it's good to see them up here. Even though they already kind of shook me out of my thing. I know Netflix isn't moving yet, but I'm curious how that contract's doing. I was up like 6%. Honestly, I wouldn't expect anything until like Netflix has a massive move. I wouldn't expect anything from those contracts. Wait, what day is that? November 10th. Oh, dang. Yo, I gotta turn the page on my calendar tomorrow. Ooh. I'm supposed to go to a cabin this month in Oklahoma. Let's go. Or next month. Yeah, it's getting closer. Let's get it. Where's my pen at? Hey, Netflix up 8 on the. Hey, that's nice. All right, still moving up on the SPY, still moving up on the Qs. Okay, let me throw this in the chart. What's this called? A Sorry, been gone. Had to hop off. Hopefully, market will. Hey, it looks like it's trying. It's trying. Yeah, if it wants to go up, that's I'm here for it. That'll work wonders. That'll work wonders. Meta's almost to the bottom of that buying pressure, or that, yeah, or where that buying pressure is, so we can broke even on SPY. Not sure if this has been asked lately. No, I do not. So what I've been using lately is this whole. It's different. This is different. This is, I would say, more long term, but it helps me with my like longer swings and stuff. And then also like yesterday when I was deciding on whether or not I wanted to hold in the Amazon earnings, I looked at the SWOT analysis on the little down here, and I saw like what it said about it still says it's undervalued. So it's like I was kind of like looking at this, looking at kind of the SWOT analysis, and then I also like to come in here and look. You have like the hidden whale data. Like it has the technicals. I don't really care about the technicals, but when it comes to like the dark pool data about the buys and sells, I find that to be interesting. So this is the closest thing to Derive AI or anything like that I use right now, but it's what is it? What was I gonna say? But yeah, the thing that was hard with me on Derive AI is the trades were there on Derive AI, but it wasn't necessarily like showing me why. So it's like because I know so much about like the trades and whatnot, like I'm unable to see like I was unable to see why it was changing. So don't really use it like that anymore. You got a chance at 30, but those 0 DT. Oh, you got a 0 DTE? Yeah, that's I didn't even realize that. Moomoo options aren't. Yeah, Moomoo's really cool too. What page is that? So it's called Market Dash. I think I have a link for like a free like 7-day on it. I don't know where it's at, but I got it somewhere. Let me see. Oh, it's right here. So yeah, if anyone is interested in trying out Market Dash, that is it right there. I think 7 days free. I'm going to make a video on it at some point. Like it's really good, but like I remember I've probably been using it for about a month, and I want to like want to like know everything I like. Or actually, it's probably been like a month and a half. But it's like I want to know everything I like and dislike about it. I think the only thing that I don't necessarily love is that it's like the charting's only on the daily time frame. I think they said they're going to do more, but it's like I don't really need the charting like that. I just like the whale data and like I like the fundamental analysis of it. I know D squared, that was what was left in the capital. Have you looked? Yeah, I look in the earnings section on Moomoo. It's like, yeah, Moomoo, like once again, amazing tools and all that good stuff. Whoa, what was that? No, Moomoo has a lot. Like it's like honestly, Moomoo has so many features I forget about Moomoo's features, which is kind of crazy. It's like I really have to like think about them. But yeah, Moomoo's earnings features are fire. Anyone ever heard of Monzo? I have not heard of Monzo. What is Monzo? All right, so we failed to get above that 200 EMA. All right, hey, we're there on the Qs. We failed to get above on the SPY, but hey, we might go for it. I don't know. We might. Oh, it's a bank. Is it like a scammy bank or is it like a bank bank? You know, some banks are kind of scammy. I used to, or I guess I still technically have an account. Like if y'all know Yada, it's like a scammy kind of bank. But apparently they're still in business. But my wife has some money in there and she still hasn't got her money back. I think we were in Portugal when she tried to get her money back. Monzo like SoFi. I can help me. Um, I cannot. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have plenty of videos that like I think I have at least like 3 videos on my channel that show you exactly how to do it. But I'm not like a financial advisor. So I just kind of get on here and tell what I do. But yeah, I cannot tell you what to do. All right, so yeah, we got some showing a little selling pressure on the 5. Wow. I watched the YouTube last night. I'm sold. Oh, you're talking about on Monzo? Let me see what Monzo is. Let's see. Let's do a little. Oh wait, I typed in Mozo. UK account. Why are they trying to get me to get a UK account? Oh, there's one for United States. Okay, why did it show me UK first? The debit card that helps you save. Hold up, let me check in on start stocks real quick. All right, we still trying to move up a little bit. You said that link for Market Dash only. Hold up, that's what it. Oh, that's a sign up for an affiliate. Oh, I guess let me get that wrong and take that down. That's just what the dude sent me. He was like, "Oh yeah, this is the link." But yeah, I guess just go to marketdash.com. I guess, but it's called Market Dash. Appreciate the heads up on that though. Have been watching you for months now, and so I think I might need to take the Derive AI video down. I don't use Derive AI anymore. It's like it's still out there. I don't use Derive AI though. Uh, I would say it was good when I was using it. It's just like I didn't know why I didn't know why the trades were like I didn't know why it was targeting, so I didn't know how to select the contracts that I wanted. So it's like kind of like I was just kind of blindly following stuff, and I didn't love that. And like a lot of times, if I was looking at a stock, I would be like, "Oh, I think this is going to happen," but it would say, "Oh yeah, we had, I don't know, this targeted this," and it's like they might have been right and I might have been right, but because Derive AI was showing one thing, I'm like, "Ooh, I don't want to trade what I was going to trade." So it wasn't good for my psychology knowing as much as I can, or knowing as much as I do with trading. It's like sometimes it's beneficial to know less about certain things because I don't know. It's like when you're a kid, the world seems like everything, all is well in the world. But as you become an adult and you start learning about things like politics and war, it's like, oh, things get a little bit darker, and it's like, oh dang, and it's like, oh wow, there are reasons my parents didn't want me to do certain things as a kid. And it's like I'm kind of at that point in trading where it's like I might know too much where it hurts me, might hold me back. It's like there are some things I got now. I'm at a point where I gotta like learn what not to focus on too. 10-4. So I can't make any recommendations, but I can tell you that I use Moomoo and I use Robinhood, and I will also say that Robinhood um, has been known to have like Robinhood is going to be easier to use. Moomoo's still pretty easy to use. Moomoo has more tools and whatnot, but Robinhood has like is known to like in the most crucial situations kind of like not work. So I would say if one could avoid it, but it's nice because sometimes you might want to make some instant deposits. You get them with Robinhood. I think you need a Bank of America account to do that with Moomoo. I don't have a Bank of America account. I don't really mess with Bank of America like that. Moomoo's not in the UK. Oh dang. Said real AF. LOL. Uh, are they not? I feel like I saw. I feel like I saw something. Let me see. I know they got Robinhood in the UK. Oh, guess not. Well, the only one I would say I'm familiar with is Robinhood. I also have like a interactive brokers, and they're like available not everywhere, but most everywhere. But the thing about interactive brokers is I am not able to I'm not able to what is it? I'm not able to trade options on there. They have not approved me. Moomoo's not in it. Okay. Weeble gets instant also. I don't remember. Well, actually, you get it depending on. I feel like when I was like trading on Moomoo, it was kind of similar to, or when I was trading on Weeble, it was similar to Moomoo. Whereas like they'll allow me to use it to buy stocks right away, but they wouldn't let me use it to get options until the money cleared. Hey, look at that! Netflix is still moving up. It's up at 11:32. This is on a Friday where they're trying to just hold things in the same range. Keep that in mind. Once again, hey, anybody who has the means to buy at the money, near the money, anything like that, life change. Oh, that contract we got today on Netflix is already up 18%. It's up $32. Netflix hasn't even really started moving yet. So yeah, that might be something. Yeah, cause it's like I don't think they've like pumped the stock split on Netflix yet. It's like I saw it yesterday, but think there's still some opportunity there. Think over the weekend we could see some kind of gap over that, assuming we don't get any super ultra negative or super ultra mega negative data. Oh, it's up 21% now. Anyone got anything exciting going on tonight? I'm not even asking just because it's Halloween. I'm just asking because it's Friday. Yeah, I'm approved with Robinhood 1 week ago. Hey, congrats! Welcome to your options trading journey. You know what? So this is something I thought about, and like I was listening to, I think it was Chris Sane. It was live, and I think he was talking about like how he started trading and like kind of his journey and all that. Like, and he started with stocks, and like he had built his stock portfolio up so large, and then he learned about options. And I kind of think about my journey and how I've done it, and kind of when I started finding success, and kind of, well, I found some early success with options, but then I got rocked by options, and then I sold my stocks, and I like honestly, I know a lot of people want to get rich quick with options, but if I'm being real, I think it's oh so very important that you make sure that you're buying stocks too. Honestly, you should be putting more, not a financial advisor, not in financial advice, but I feel that one should be putting more money into stocks and then actually purchasing stocks than options, like whatever you're funding your options with. Because I have found that like I have looked back at points when I was like only trading options, and it's like, oh, I look at it, it's like I might be break even or I might be down like over that period. But then it's like, oh, like ever since I made sure I'm like, yo, if I during this period, if I were buying stocks, I'm like, yo, stocks still ended up moving up this much. And like options, it's like I went up a lot, I came down a lot, but ultimately I didn't move anywhere, and it's not actually building wealth until you like, or it's not actually anything until you take it out and do something with it. So it's like just kind of thinking about it. I I don't think I necessarily had the comfort to do certain things with options until I started doing certain things with stocks. So if you hear anything from what I'm saying right now, yo, stocks are cool, y'all. Yeah, options aren't the only way. I know we all want to get there, but like also like while we're doing stuff like with these options, let's make sure we're looking like we throw in our little safety net with stocks too. Options are like it's like yeah, we gotta risk it to get the biscuit, but also we gotta make sure we're not bending ourselves over too. I don't know. All right. Here, let's see. Should have bought like 2 or 3 calls on Netflix or got one closer. Um, Up 500 on Netflix. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, that Netflix. Yeah, you're gonna get paid. Honestly, probably. Wait, let's see. Netflix at. Hmm. So a move like that. Wait. I really have to think about it. B-ball. Hey, that's what's up. Do you trade features? No, not at the moment. Personally, I like Weeble. Once you take the time to understand the UI, it goes deeper than widgets, multi-thread, parse like that. I would say Weeble and Moomoo are very similar. And it's like honestly, I stopped using Weeble when they did me dirty once, but it's like honestly, their platform like it's chill in my experience. Like Weeble's cool. I just haven't used it in I don't know how long. And I'll say their desktop platform is better than Momo for sure. But yeah, Weeble is chill. All right, so we're pulling back some more. Market pulling back some more. Yeah, I would say if you're not attached to anything, it's a good time to enjoy your enjoy your day, enjoy your life. Let's see. Oh, hey, the Netflix just keep. Oh no, it didn't. No, it didn't. Okay. I was gonna say it moved up again, even though it moved down. Yeah, Bitcoin trying to push. Kind of, kind of. On the day, yeah, it's trying to push. Let me check. Let me check in on the Dixie. We got the Dix, or not the Dix. We got the what is it? The VIX, not the VIX. Yeah, the VIX kind of rising in the Dixie. Wait. Oh, hold on. Let me go to a 4 hour. Oh, we're still trying to push up a little bit. Still trying. Bitcoin surged back above 110,000, leading a crypto rebound fueled by upbeat earnings from Coinbase. Oh yeah, I still hadn't looked at Coinbase. Let's see. I know they had earnings. Oh, wait, hold on. What were they looking like on the 15? Oh, so there was a chance to get in at this. Okay, so they broke the trend line today. I had this trend line drawn on them, but oh well. Wow. Moving on up. Y'all need to eat some. What time is it? 10:10. Okay. Give it about like 20 minutes or so. Yo, so how's everyone doing? How we doing? How we feeling about things? Yo, we are rolling into the last couple months of the year. Wait, what did they do to them? I have them. I haven't really fully used them, or what they do to you. So what they did to me, it's like I like to take responsibility for my own things, my own like actions or like things that happen to me. Like I like to have the power myself, but it was like a couple years back. I think it was like after I started like getting better at technical analysis and understanding it. And like there was this one morning, I'm like, oh, Meta is about to move up. And like right at market open, I grabbed a call because I'm like, yo, Meta is about to pop. And like I put my order in and I'm like just sitting there. I'm like, yo, did it fill? Like, I'm like, what's going on? Because I put it in like at the ask price. And it was not like the order, like I wasn't getting the notification that was filled, but I like sat there like 15 minutes or so. And then I just see the prices like way higher. And then it was like, then I noticed like, and I think the price had jumped by like 2K in that point in time. But it's like, it was then I realized, I'm like, yo, the prices are not moving live. I like hopped over to Robinhood and looked at the same contracts. And I'm like, this isn't the price of this contract. So, oh, I guess it was like the day or the morning that they like removed my ability to trade. Like, you got to pay for, you have to pay for live ops. They give it to you free for a certain amount of time, but I had it for years. And I think like I was an affiliate with them. So I had it, and I believe I still was at the time, but yeah, I was an affiliate with them and I had it for a long time. And I didn't even know you had to pay for live options quotes, but they stopped giving me live options quotes that morning, and I was about to make a bag. And because because of the fact that they turned off my live options quotes and I didn't get an email about it till after that morning, I just I just missed out and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm done with this. And then honestly, at that point in time, it's not that big a deal paying for live options quotes anymore. Like it's just part of it's just part of trading now. But it's like at that point in time, I was like, yo, I'm not paying. I think it was like $2 or $3 a month to see live options quotes. I'm like, yo, I'm not paying this. And it's like, but yeah, it's like if I'm gonna be making like stuff, finding moves where it's gonna make like 2K, it's like that's nothing. That's cost of doing business. Is this a good time to buy Apple call at the here? Let's look at Apple. Possibly. So we got this trend line here. Um, there appears to be. Let's go to a lower time frame. See what it's looking like. This there this appears to be a support area. Here, let's go to a lower time frame. On this time frame, it looks like the EMAs might be about to cross. So I don't know. I would say like I like the risk reward though. I like the risk reward. You said expiration January 16th. Okay, here let's go back to the forum. I would say it has good potential. I would probably want to stop if we got like a close below, like I'd probably want to like have a stop loss below this 267 if we get a complete close on the 4 hour below that. But if I were going for that contract, that's how I'd be looking at it. Let's see. You think in the next couple years, Meta and app loving could? I think Meta will. I think Meta will for sure. I think Meta will go over 1,000. So I think there is a great chance for that. App loving. I have been hearing from like people really really into it. I've been hearing that there is something about the way that App Lovin does their accounting that they are actually way overvalued. But I don't know. I would say if they continue to move and they end up like if they continue moving like they're moving, I would say there's a good chance. But with App Lovin, I'm gonna just say I don't trust it. I'm not in there enough doing it, like doing the analysis myself on that. So I'm gonna leave that alone. But yeah, if the price continues up, it can split. I think Meta will split in my strong opinion, but I cannot really I don't have a strong opinion about App Lovin, but I have heard like there is some like shady accounting going on with their kind of like balance sheets and stuff. Yeah, the whole Moomoo thing, not Moomoo, Weeble thing was not good, but it is what it is. There are a lot of things that I used to kind of look at and think, oh, I'm not paying that for that, or oh, like that's not worth that and all that stuff. But then like I changed my mindset. I'm like, yo, if it's only $3 a month, I don't know. It's like I miss the days of when things were single single payments. It's like you buy it and you own it forever. But also like when you look back at some of those things, it's like, oh, say I bought this chair and like it's like, oh, I can own this chair forever. But it's like, oh, how good is this chair really for? Like, how good is this chair for real? It's like, and if I could have this chair for like $10 a month and then just swap it out for another one and still like whenever I want at $10 a month, it's like, oh, you know what? That's better than me paying like if I use this chair for 2 years and this is a $200 chair, it's like, oh, it's better than me paying $250 for a chair because it's like, oh, maybe I may decide after a year I don't want this, or if it's a $300 chair, I'd rather pay $10 a month for it. I don't know, but it's like there's a cost of business, and it's like if you're able to make a profit with that cost of doing business, it's worth it. If it allows you to make more money, it's worth it. Like I was in a apartment before this, like legit right next door to this one. My rent was a few $100s less a month, but while I was spending less money, I was constricted by certain things I could do. I couldn't stream as much. The space was tighter. My wife and I were like on top of each other because we both work from home. Now we have more room. Honestly, I need more room now, but it's like having more room will lead to me earning more profit, having more room to produce things. So it's like me, like, I don't know, it's like now, say my rent goes up even more, as long as the profit I'm going to make from it goes up more, then it's worth it, even though it's like, oh, that's kind of high rent. But it's like, oh, the money I'm going to make from it is going to go up more. So it's just the cost of I love it. They're having a court case. I didn't even know that. I just like I'm not on them like that, but it is. I just heard like shady accounting. Let's see. All right, let's all right, Spy it's starting to look a little better. Let's in the hour not too much, but the 4 hour is looking chill. Let's go to the cues. Back that out. It's looking good. Yeah, it's looking better now. Apparently Netflix may be buying Warner Bros. I think I saw something like that, and I feel like it may have been Netflix and like somebody. I don't know. I feel like I saw something like that though. All right, but we look like we're holding up, but that's cool. If Netflix buys Warner Bros. I would also appreciate if they stopped trying to program me a little bit, but I guess everything you watch is trying to program you. I'm trying to program y'all to win. If we think about it, I'm trying to program myself to win too. Um, oh yeah, that was a good level to buy Google. Look at Tesla. Hmm. Oh yeah, Netflix already moving a little bit. It's up 50, up 30 or 28%. Netflix isn't even moving. The premium's just juicing on the contracts. Let it go crazy. I'm here for it. Yeah, Netflix, hey, might be the might be the play of the year. I don't know. We'll see. What is my play of the year so far? Oh, it's been a long year. I got a lot of accounts. I don't even know what would be. Let me look at the stocks I trade just to see if I can remember any like large trades on them. I know I made some money with Nvidia. I don't remember how. Netflix or Meta. Hey, Netflix or Meta could have a play of the year too, like depending on like just whenever it gets obvious. Cause you see how if we look at the daily, Netflix kind of chilled down here for like it spent like maybe like 4, 5 days down here. If you think of maybe Meta does the same thing, I don't know. It's yeah, cause it's like Meta could have like one announcement at any moment, and it can be in a completely different place. So that is very true. Meta is very well a candidate for something that could be that. If I would have like grabbed leaps on something like a SoFi at the beginning here, that would have been something too. I'm trying to see what options. Bro, what was my return on the Pfizer's? Let me see. It might have been like some. It might be boosted in my head. I don't remember what they actually were. Was that on Robinhood or was that on Moomoo? Let's see. I think it was on Moomoo. Let's see. Oh, I filter. Imagine you if you bought. Hey, for real. And what's crazy is a lot of these stocks I will be like, oh yes, it would be amazing to buy leaps right now. It's like I just don't have it like that. But it's cool because I'm about to. I'm about to be able to do that. Just had the cash flow situations right. Just had to take care of some stuff. Almost taken care of, and yeah, now I'm gonna be able to actually take advantage of the. Where did I trade the Pfizer contracts? I just checked Moomoo and Weeble, or and Robinhood. Which account am I looking at? Was it in the Roth? I don't think it was in the Roth. Bro, I don't even know where I made this trade. How about taking an Apple call? So somebody asked about that a moment ago. And it's like there is potential there for it. It's not anything that I feel convicted for, but yeah, there's good potential here. Just assuming that it doesn't like confirm below this, and assuming that this is going to push up, this would be a good place to do it. We just don't know. Just don't know. I was supposed to be watching Hood and missed. Oh dang. Here, let's see. Oh yeah, D Skirt was talking about this one today already. Yeah. Yeah, Robinhood going crazy. But all right, family, that's going to do it for the day. I'm about to go eat. All right. So with that being said, family, I hope each and every one of y'all have a great weekend. I hope each and every one of y'all's trades go y'all's way. To those of y'all Halloweening, spook or Halloweening, tricking or treating. Hopefully not doing too much tricking. Be sure to check out your treats. Y'all be careful out there. What was I gonna say? What else was I gonna say? But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Luke. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, JC. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Dominique. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, April. Peace out, Rith Iker. Peace out, Natasha. Yeah, I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. Be blessed. Go Blue Jays and Blaze. You know, I've been to one Major League Baseball game, and it was the Rangers versus the Blue Jays. I think the Blue Jays waxed the Texas Rangers, but yeah, with Amazon on the come up too. So be on the lookout for me to possibly take profit on that if you're on the walk. But with that being said, family, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.